Hello and welcome to the Shed Shack Lab. I've been making these tool trays to help tidy up my workspace a bit. You know, all the small tools that just get mixed up on your shelf. This one's just off the laser cutter and I'll show you some of the procedure in making it. So this is the worksheet for the tray I've already made. And as you can see, it's made up of 3 pages. And the design is made entirely of rectangles stitched together, basically. Taking into account that the sheet supply 3mm thick, this gives you the dimensions for the cutouts. I'm using a 20mm for the tab size, and the line thickness here ensures only one pass of the laser. Once you've made one part, it's easy just to duplicate and make the other opposite side of the tray, or to use it as a basis for a similar part. So that was the design for tray 1, which was made of 3 sheets of A4 3mm ply. So here we are with tray 2, again made of 3 sheets, with a bit of modification to tray 1, and also with the addition of an insert if required. Now we need to send each page to the cutter. On the top left of each sheet there is a tiny square marker. This gives the laser a starting point as such, sort of a 0, 0 position, and then it's a case of selecting everything on the sheet that you want to cut. Then you go to the laser cutter bar at the top, select cutting. I like to add the job to tasks rather than sending it directly there. It sort of sends it to a buffer, and that way, if anything should happen, the whole file's already there to go. So once you've clicked on add task and it's gone through, it's just a case of going back to the top and hitting start. It's a case of repeating for the other sheets. Of course, remembering to place a new piece of A4 3mm ply on the laser bed, and that's all your parts cut out. This is the control panel on my laser. The current regulation sets the laser strength, which is higher for cutting and low for engraving. The temperature gauge there you can see is for the water cooling for the laser tube. So here's the laser doing its job. So with the tray completed, and it's just loosely joined together with the added inserts as well, and we'll glue that together a bit later. I like to use the 2-part type of super glue, the one with the activator spray, as I find that quite good. So thanks for watching, and hope you found something useful in the video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Many thanks.